Hi. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this video because I'm not a scientist, but I do want to say that I think it's really important that we not add things to the water or not put so much emphasis on desalinating the water, as they call it, but that we should um, try to make sure that we don't get the water dirty in the first place. See, now when the water goes back in the atmosphere, it goes back as what it was, H2O. And that's the best way to filter the water because, it just goes back to where it was and comes back the way it, hopefully, it comes back the way it did, unless they get, got a lot of pollutants going up in the air too. But when you start putting things in the water, that's not the same. Like our whole bodies are made up of chemicals, and like our bones are made up like of almost all calcium. And but when you start putting other chemicals in your body on top of the chemicals, or your other chemicals, um, you could make an imbalance there. And I know they say they put chlorine in water for 50 years, but that still doesn't mean it's good for our bodies to have that in our bodies. If it was really that good for us, it probably would have been in there naturally. You know, nature is so hard to find, anymore. Um, but even sometimes the filtering process might not be that good. I don't understand exactly why they filter things with like coal and stuff. You know, I could see where it might be a cheap way to do that, but um, and there's plenty of coal and stuff like that. But anyway, to get back to what I was saying, I just think it's important that we try to prevent, the polluting of our waters more than just paying somebody to put other chemicals in our water. And like older people when they get older, their bones start dissolving. Actually, they get porous, brittle, and actually get thin. And so, and I know that it's a big thing. Corporations make a lot of money by putting stuff into the water, but it would just be a lot better if they didn't pollute the water in the first place. Thank you very much.